If you're looking to invest in real estate this year, stop everything you're doing and check out this video. I'm going to take you on a tour at a brand new construction home here in South Alabama, in Baldwin County, in highly desirable Fairhope, Alabama. So guys, come on in. I'm going to give you a tour and run through the numbers with you. So first and foremost, if you're just checking out my channel now, I manage about 100 properties here in South Alabama, and I've been a real estate investor for almost 2 decades. So I run flip projects, I have rental investments myself. So whatever you're looking to do investment-wise, I'm a one-stop shop. With my investors now, I like to typically try to find 4-bedroom properties, and there's a great selection here in our new construction, currently in our market in Baldwin County, Alabama. And what's also great about new construction right now, they're offering $25,000 in incentives that could be used towards your closing costs, that can help buy down your rate, that could help buy washer dryers, refrigerators. So I'm going to give you a little tour and walk you through this property. With my investors, I like to try to purchase 4-bedroom properties if I can. There is lower inventory for 4-bedroom rentals on our real estate market. Also, I'm always thinking when I'm helping my investors long term. When they call me, hey Rachel, I want to sell my property, I'd like to have a 4-bedroom. This property is great just because of the lot it's on. It's a little bit of an oversized lot for DR Horton. This is the builder in our neighborhood that we're in right now. And I just want to show you outside. Not only is it that open floor plan and it's just that neutral off-white colors, but what's special about this particular lot is the backyard, in my opinion, and I'm always thinking resale. So I just really like, a little bit brighter here, how you come out and it's just a little bit serene and scenic. You don't really get this in the new construction realm of homes. You're usually backed up to another home or you have a neighbor really close to you. So I just really like that view, and you're gonna get a really nice sunset. That sunset is going to be a hot ticket item over here. All right, let's get back to the property. So what I also like for my investors, and it's easy managing over 100 properties, is this luxury waterproof vinyl flooring. This is the key ticket item. You have a tenant moving in, another one moving out. You don't have carpet, so there's no replacement. Carpet is the #1 item, along with painting, that I have to do whenever I have a tenant moving out, moving in. We might have to touch up some paints, but this luxury waterproof flooring, here in South Alabama, like this is a hot ticket item that investors put in their properties or just builders in general. Love that it's an open floor plan. You have your dining space over here. You have your countertop seating. You also have your granite countertops. With the incentives that DR Horton is offering right now, you can also use that to purchase a refrigerator, washer, dryer. And I highly recommend getting them to do your blinds with that incentive money. It's one less thing for you to do. You don't want to take measurements, bring it to Lowe's, get someone to install it. Time is money. It ain't worth our time. It's a split floor plan, not only an open floor plan. So whenever my investors are buying, I always like the floor plan that I know is going to go the distance long term. So this is a great floor plan for resale as well. So you have a nice sized bedroom over here with your closet. And if you see tape on the wall, what this means is that the property manager for this particular part of the subdivision already came in here and started marking the walls for the painters or the contractors that they hire to do the work. And they're getting a jump start on, once they find a buyer, the buyer does their initial walkthrough and gets to label with the tape any work that they want done to the property prior to closing and their final walkthrough. So they're getting a jump start on things to touch up, so when they finally secure their buyer, it's less on the back end. They're really pushing to get closings done this November. Then you have this full bath between your 2 rooms down this hallway. You have your updated granite countertops. And even the bathrooms have this luxury waterproof flooring, which is really ideal. It's so easy to manage. There's very low maintenance with this. And these are really good bedroom sizes. Really ideal. I still always recommend to my investors, since most of them don't live in the area, some of them I've never met, we've been doing business for almost a decade, to get an inspection done before we do our first walkthrough. I don't want to miss anything. I'm not going to be testing outlets. So I always recommend, let's get the inspection done. When they send me to do their initial walkthrough, I'll have the inspection report and I'll have a second set of eyes to help me, because I'm usually putting all this tape around the properties and trying to pinpoint issues that I want to address before closing. So this property is currently listed at $350,000, brand new construction. That's, in my opinion, a great deal here. And you're also in Fairhope. So Fairhope is highly desirable. We have a downtown Fairhope. You have some areas in Fairhope that are located on the bay. There's just a lot to do. And I'm originally from New York. I know I don't sound, speaking from Alabama over here. So I'm originally from New York, moved here 13 years ago. Love it. Can't speak highly enough about this area in Alabama. I literally still drive and I'm like, I live in Alabama, but I love it. Love raising my kids here. Here's your primary bedroom, which I like to have the tray ceilings, the added crown molding, so that really, really helps just add value long term. What's also great about these properties, new construction, is they are Gold Fortified. So what that means is that the property was checked off by an engineer, pictures were taken every phase of construction, and that really also helps my investors with the cap rate, because the insurance for these properties, the one I was quoted 2 weeks ago, was slightly under $1,000 for the year. So you're getting $1,000 insurance for the year. You also get a 10-year structural warranty and a 1-year warranty on the property. The systems and components start to fail, you have a warranty. You will get all that information at closing. You literally put it into their warranty portal. I have this issue. Property managers can handle it. I manage a few for my owners. When a tenant calls, there's an issue, I put it in there, they come out and they fix it. They also have these nice primary bathrooms. What's great about this bathroom in the primary is you have a double vanity, you have a separate walk-in shower, and then you have this great walk-in closet. So it's really ideal for tenants, because what tenant wouldn't love new construction property to move into? It's new, it's in Fairhope, it's 4 bedrooms. I mean, you're gonna have no problem renting this property out. Right now, this property is a little under 2,000 square feet, and properties in here have been renting for $1.20 a foot. So I would probably list this property, depending on your competition, $2,300, maybe $2,200 a month. So your cap rate for this property is going to be close to 7%, which is not bad. Also, depending on if you hire a property manager, you don't, there's other factors in the 7%. All right, so if you don't know what a cap rate is, that is your net operating income divided by the market value. So for this property in particular, you would take $2,200 a month times 12, less $1,000 for insurance, less $1,000 for taxes, less $700 a year for the HOA, which they do have amenities in here. They have a pool in here. You take that number and then you divide it by your market value, which is $350,000. That's how you figure out your cap rate. If you are needing to get a loan and you're a new investor and you don't have cash on hand, what's great about DR Horton with this $25,000 incentive is you can buy down your rate. So depending on your credit and your debt to income, investors are still able to get between 6 and 6.5% interest rate. That's ideal. Just to even buy and hold. And the key with rentals is it's a long-term investment. You build your wealth. So I tell my investors, what's your goal? You want to make $10, $20, $30,000 a month of passive income when you get to your retirement years? Okay, how many properties do you need to buy to get there? That's the key to everything. If you're looking to invest, if you want more information, if you need help, please fill out the link below for my investor contact list. Would love to send you more properties. Would love to help you get off the ground. Don't hesitate to reach out. Please like and subscribe.